Guys, from the trade we placed yesterday, we got a sell signal from our premium indicator to sell Bitcoin at a price of 66,800, and we took the trade. As you can see, we've hit our TP1. So we closed 50% of our open position at TP1, and we have 50% left. We are hoping for the price of Bitcoin to drop to 55,000, where we'll close our TP2. We close 50% of our open position at TP2 and wait for the remainder to get to Bitcoin price of 50,000. Then we'll close the left of what is left of the open positions. By closing at 50% of our open position at TP1, we've made a lot of profit. Some members of our community made over $1,000 just by closing 50% of their open position, while we wait for the remainder 50% to play out. Of course, Bitcoin is still bullish. As you can see on our daily chart, it is bullish. 4-hour chart is bearish, 1-hour chart is bearish, 50-minute chart is bearish. So on a shorter time frame, it is actually bearish, while on a longer time frame, it is still bullish. So when we have this kind of setup, we call it a retracement. The Bitcoin is still on a bullish trend, but nothing goes up forever. It will go up and come back having a retracement, then go up and come back having a retracement. So when this kind of setup happens, we don't just sit on the sideline and wait for Bitcoin to recover to come to a new all-time high. We trade it actively and make profit even when the market is coming down. We send this signal, about 3 to 5 signals like this every day, to members of our community, and they implement the trade and make huge amounts of profit every day. If you want to join, you can feel free to click the link on my bio, and I'll see you in the community group.